So you hit the financial jackpot, whether it's GameStop at $5, Bitcoin at $1,000, or maybe you just had the universe hand deliver you a lottery win. Congratulations, you've won capitalism. But hold on to your gold-plated hats because making the money was just the warm-up. If you're enjoying what you're seeing so far, give us a quick thumbs up, and if you're not part of our community yet, hit that subscribe button. Now, making millions might seem like the dream, but ever heard of sudden wealth syndrome? It's like imposter syndrome, cranked up to 11. Anxiety, paranoia, and the weird guilt of having money you didn't earn. Lotteries, business sales, or just a really lucky investment. They all bring their own brand of crazy. But guess what? You're not alone. Even successful entrepreneurs can fall victim to the woes of too much money too soon. So buckle up, because now that you're swimming in cash, we're exploring the 3 major threats to your newfound fortune. First up, gambling, because who doesn't want to turn a fortune into a mega fortune at the blackjack table in Vegas? Well, spoiler alert, it's a bad idea. We're talking about the dangers of pushing your luck when you've already struck gold. Next on the danger list, lawsuits. You're not just rich, you're a target for every litigious character in a 100-mile radius. Get ready for ex-business partners, ex-wives, and a whole lot of legal drama. And trust me, lawyers are expensive, maybe more expensive than the actual settlements. And finally, the big bad wolf of wealth, overconsumption. Turns out, spending millions isn't as easy as it sounds. From limited edition Ferraris to super yachts, it's a challenge to actually burn through all that cash. But don't worry, we've got a plan to help you navigate these pitfalls. Now that we've scared you silly with the dangers, let's talk strategy. First things first. Keep it on the down low. So you're practically swimming in money, but guess what? The less people know about it, the better. Consider anonymity your superhero cape in this financial adventure. Resist the urge to shout from the rooftops about your newfound wealth. You don't want every distant relative, high school buddy, or random internet troll knocking on your door with their hand out. Think of it as the ultimate poker face. Keep him guessing while you navigate the wild world of wealth incognito. But why the secrecy, you ask? Well, my friend, the less attention you attract, the lower the chances of falling into the pitfalls of sudden wealth syndrome. By keeping your windfall hush-hush, you're less likely to be bombarded by long-lost friends, distant relatives, and the occasional scam artist. Anonymity isn't just a strategy. It's your shield against the chaos that can come with a sudden influx of riches. So, zip those lips, keep it on the down low, and let the mystery of your newfound fortune be the talk of the town. Step 2. Get yourself a legal eagle. Lawyers are like your financial superheroes, protecting your riches from the villainous forces of lawsuits and legal troubles. Now that you've mastered the art of silence, it's time to assemble your financial justice league, starting with a legal eagle. Lawyers aren't just for courtroom drama. They're your guardians against the villains of the financial world. From ex-business partners to potential ex-spouses, you've become a target for every legal woe imaginable. But fear not, because your legal eagle is here to swoop in and save the day. Think of your lawyer as the wise Yoda to your Luke Skywalker, guiding you through the legal galaxy of wealth protection. These legal wizards specialize in shielding your riches from the dark forces of lawsuits, ensuring your newfound fortune stays firmly in your grasp. It's not just about having a lawyer, it's about having the right lawyer, one who understands the intricacies of wealth protection and has a lightsaber sharp enough to cut through any legal entanglements. So suit up, find your legal superhero, and let them be the shield that keeps your millions safe and sound. Step 3. Protect those assets. Think trust funds, companies, and legal jargon that makes you sound smarter than you actually are. It's like a financial invisibility cloak. No one can touch what they can't see. Now that you have your legal guardians in place, it's time to add an extra layer of protection, the financial invisibility cloak, aka trust funds and company structures. Imagine your wealth as a treasure chest, and these structures as the impenetrable locks keeping the gold safe. By navigating the world of trust funds and legal jargon, you're not just protecting your assets, you're making them practically invisible to the outside world. Enter the trust fund, a legal entity that can hold your assets like a guardian watching over a dragon's hoard. It separates you from your money, making it a challenge for anyone to lay claim to your newfound fortune. But why stop there? Add a company to the mix, a double-layered fortress protecting your wealth. It's like building a financial labyrinth. The more complicated it sounds, the safer your riches become. Step 4. Make that money work for you. Investments, baby. But no crazy gambling in the stock market. We're here for the long game, not the roller coaster of Wall Street. Congratulations! Your wealth is now securely wrapped in layers of anonymity and legal safeguards. Now, let's talk about putting that money to work. We're not talking about hitting the roulette table or trying to time the market like a Wall Street daredevil. No, we're in it for the long game, the slow and steady journey of smart investments. Think of your money as a team of hardworking minions, in a good way, each diligently contributing to the growth of your financial empire. Investments, my friend, are your secret weapon in this game of wealth preservation. But hold your horses. This isn't about chasing the latest hot stock or diving headfirst into cryptocurrency speculation. We're after sustainable, long-term growth, the kind that keeps your wealth multiplying while you sip a drink on a beach somewhere. Consider diversifying your investments, like a chef mixing ingredients for the perfect recipe. Stocks, bonds, real estate. Create a well-balanced financial portfolio that withstands the test of time. Remember, it's not about getting rich quick. It's about staying rich over the long haul. So, resist the urge to go all in on the latest hype. Play the smart investment game and watch your money grow steadily, like a well-tended garden. Step 5. Budget like a boss. 2 to 5% of your total invested assets, that's your golden number. It's like having your financial cake and eating it too, without the risk of a sugar crash. Now that your investments are doing the heavy lifting, it's time to talk about the golden rule of wealth. Budgeting like an absolute boss. We're not talking about tightening your belt or skipping on the luxuries. We're talking about crafting a budget that allows you to indulge while ensuring your wealth lasts longer than the latest internet meme. Enter the 2 to 5% rule, your golden number for sustainable living off your invested assets. It's like having your financial cake and eating it too, without the risk of a sugar crash. This rule ensures that you can enjoy the fruits of your financial labor without depleting the orchard. Whether it's exotic vacations, fine dining, or a collection of designer handbags, your budget becomes the guardian of your wealth, keeping you in the lap of luxury for generations to come. And finally, step 6. Become a globe-trotting, tax-evading genius. Pick a spot on the map that treats your millions right and live there for 6 months and a day. Welcome to the life of a nationless elite. You've mastered the art of secrecy, legal protection, strategic investments, and budgeting like a boss. Now it's time for the grand finale, becoming a globe-trotting, tax-evading genius. Choose a destination that treats your millions with the respect they deserve. And don't forget your metaphorical passport, because you're about to embark on the life of a nationless elite. Popular choices for the financially savvy nomad include Monaco, Liechtenstein, Singapore, the Bahamas, and Bermuda. These tax havens offer a quality of life that aligns with the tastes of the rich and discreet. And here's the beauty. You only need to plant yourself there for 6 months and a day to avoid those pesky taxes. It's the ultimate freedom. Travel the world with your money. Secure, productive, and practically limitless. So, pack your bags, embrace the life of a globe-trotting financial maestro, and revel in the fact that your wealth is now a global citizen. You've not only preserved your fortune, but elevated it to a status where borders are mere lines on a map. Welcome to the club of the nationless elite, where the world is your playground and your money is the key to every door. Cheers to a life well lived, well traveled, and well protected. May your fortunes continue to grow and your adventures never cease. And there you have it, future tycoons and fortune finders. Follow these steps and you'll be sipping cocktails on a beach somewhere, watching your money grow faster than bamboo on steroids. If you enjoyed this ride through the wild world of wealth, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more financial shenanigans. Until next time, stay rich, stay fabulous, and remember, money talks, but ours makes jokes too. Cheers!